ये अर्बन नक्सल की भाषा बोलने वाले, इंडियन स्टेट के खिलाफ लड़ाई की घोषणा करने वाले न संविधान को समझ सकते हैं, न देश की एकता को समझ सकते हैं। ये अर्बन नक्सल की स्टाइल है। हमको भी सालों तक ऐसा अछूत बना के रख दिया पूरे देश में भाजपा को। अब देश समझ गया है अर्बन नक्सलों के कारनामे।
इनके लिए आपकी मानवता नहीं है। मानवता के दोहरे चरित्र को मैं स्वीकार नहीं करता मान्यवर। ये मानवतावादी नहीं है, नक्सलियों के समर्थक है।
अब ये आतंकियों का कभी माओवादी आतंक जो हाथ में हथियार लेके चलते थे, जब आज उनके हाथ में संविधान देखते हैं तो ये अर्बन नक्सलों की नींद उड़ जाती है।
Viewers, good evening. This is a story that goes to the very heart of India's national security. Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah have for years been clear and vocal in their stand against urban Naxals. They have repeatedly warned that while the Maoist terror network in the jungles was being systematically wiped out, its urban ecosystem was still thriving under the cover of NGOs and so-called activism. Viewers, today that cover is being lifted. The Modi government has delivered a massive strike by tightening FCRA rules. Let me tell you that this is not a routine change. This is by far the strongest message of intent by the government. Business as usual is over for those NGOs that have been misusing foreign funds. Let us understand what has changed and why it matters. Earlier, many NGOs, as you know, could receive foreign money with limited scrutiny. They could claim humanitarian or development work while diverting funds into activities that were subversive, also sinister. Some of these organizations became part of the urban Naxal ecosystem. They provided ideological support, mobilized protests, created a favorable narrative for Maoist terrorists operating in the red corridors. Viewers, the foreign money came in quietly. The purpose was often hidden and the patrons, the donors, remained unknown or largely unknown. It was easy to operate in the shadows. But now that the rules have been tightened, every NGO must fully disclose the purpose of the funds and the identity of the patrons. Transparency is no longer optional. The government will know exactly where the money is coming from and how it is being used. This simple requirement will choke the foreign funding pipeline for those NGOs that were using the garb of humanitarian work to carry out anti-India activities. No longer can they hide behind vague reports of shifting of funds without accountability. The urban Naxal ecosystem, viewers, that once enjoyed easy access to foreign money is now under direct pressure. After the Maoist terror network was broken in the forest, the government is now targeting its urban support system. This is a complete and logical follow-through. National security demands that we close every loophole, and that is being done. As expected, the opposition and the ecosystem, they are up in arms. They are calling this crackdown an attempt to silence dissent. Tell me, how can seeking transparency in foreign funding be an attempt to silence dissent? Transparency is the very foundation of accountability, viewers, in any democracy. If an NGO is receiving foreign money, the people of India, all of us have every right to know its purpose and the patrons. So calling this an attack on dissent is absurd, not going to work. It reveals that those who are protesting the loudest have something to hide. The ecosystem that backs Maoists, that eulogizes dreaded terrorists and Maoist leaders, the pro-Hidma gang, they are now gunning for the Modi government. They are upset because their convenient arrangement of unchecked foreign funding is coming to an end. Their anger is not about dissent. It is about losing their unaccountable lifeline, viewers. That is at the heart of this. It is also a clear message to the foreign lobbies and to certain US senators who've been peddling anti-India narratives. sample the reactions.
हम करेंगे और दूसरा कोई करना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, और कोई उसके ऊपर उसका क्रेडिट नहीं लेना चाहिए। सरकार का काम कर रही है। एक्टिविटीज के लिए रोक लगाने के, धर्मांतर के ऊपर रोक लगाने के लिए हमारा कोई विरोध नहीं है, लेकिन उसके नाम पे अगर कोई उसको कंट्रोल करके अपने हाथ में लेने की कोई कोशिश करेगा तो गलत है।
Transparency and accountability is something that the opposition keeps demanding. But why is it that for foreign funds there should be no transparency? I can understand that Congress party has a soft corner for Naxals and even for urban Naxals. And today, when the urban Naxal mindset is being struck down upon, they are again crying.
जो सोशल मीडिया की डिटेल्स सरकार चाहती है, उससे ये भी सरकार इंक्लाइन कर सकती है कि कौन सी संस्था किस विचारधारा की है, और जो सरकार की विचारधारा से विपरीत होगी उसके ऊपर एक्शन होगा, उसके ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगेंगी।
भी है, अगर सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर भी ये बयान कर रहे हैं तो मुझे लगता है, या पूछना चाहते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि अंदर इनको कोई डर खा रहा है। ये डर जो है इनके जहन में बैठ गया है।
It is really difficult to find out which are the NGOs who are doing that religious conversion. So I think that is something which I think most of the NGOs which are being managed, especially by the minorities, would come under threat.
राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन को 2005-6 और 2006-7 के वित्तीय साल में चीनी दूतावास से 1,35 लाख रुपए का अनुदान प्राप्त हुआ था। कानूनी प्रक्रिया का अनुपालना करते हुए गृह मंत्रालय ने इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन रद्द किया था।
Let me open this up. Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of the BJP, Tehseen Poonawalla, Vivek Srivastava, Anish Gawande, the national spokesperson of the NCP, SP, IP Singh, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Dr. John Dayal on the show, and Karan Verma completes this panel. Dr. John Dayal, first question to you. What is the problem with these regulations, the stricter norms?
Apart from the fact that this regulation was born at the height of the emergency, it's a child of that mindset which looks on everybody with suspicion. There is no problem with transparency. By all means, punish everybody who's guilty. But where do the NGOs work? Where the government doesn't work. Where does the money go? It goes to the people. Nobody is making bricks of gold out of this money and sweating it away. Nobody. And this is through banking channels. What more transparency there is? It's not like the RSS, which is not registered, whose funding is not known.
Is that all, sir? Okay. Let me get your friend to add more meat to it. Vivek Srivastava ji, what is the problem?
Lal salam to all, and lal salam especially to my friend John Dayal. Yahan this discriminatory policy of the government is clear. You don't, while on one hand RSS unregistered रहेगा और पैसे लेगा, मोदी साहब को फर्क नहीं पड़ता जब मोहन भागवत आकर के कहते हैं हिंदू रिलीजन भी रजिस्टर्ड नहीं है, और यहां पे आकर के आप ये बेकार के अमेंडमेंट्स just to control the other ideologies from spreading. That is what it is. आप मुझे एंटी नेशनल बोलेंगे, आप बोलेंगे अर्बन नक्सल है, क्योंकि मैं मानता नहीं आपके हिंदुत्व की आइडियोलॉजी को, और मेरे से रिलेटेड एनजीओस जो हमारी आइडियोलॉजी के हैं उसको आप कर्व करेंगे.
Which are these NGOs and what ideologies are you talking about?
वर्कर राइट्स, फार्मर राइट्स, वुमेन राइट्स, ह्यूमन राइट्स. चाहिए होता है पैसा गरीबों में जाने के लिए, और लोग चंदा देते हैं. आपके पेट में दर्द है, आरएसएस को पैसा आएगा, पेट में दर्द नहीं है, बजाओ ताली. मजदूरों के लिए हम पैसा लेंगे, आपको दर्द है. कांग्रेस ने मेहनत करी, राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन ने तो भाई साहब बहुत बड़ा डिफॉल्ट कर दिया. मिसेस सोनिया गांधी एंटी नेशनल है, चाइनीज एजेंट है, बजाओ ताली. सब चोर हैं इस दुनिया में मोदी साहब को.
Srivastava, now that you're not done with your, listen to me.
Mrs. Sonia Gandhi is a respected leader of this nation who has made contribution to this country, who did not take up the position of the prime ministership.
This is about foreign funding. Why are you talking about Sonia Gandhi? anything? No, 1 minute. Vivek Srivastava, calm down first of all. Why do you, 1 minute, why do you still link anything foreign with Sonia Gandhi? Why do you do this to the Congress party? मुझे एक बात बताइए sir, you began by saying this is about RSS.
Yes.
If the rules seek more transparency,
yes,
what is the problem? बता दीजिए क्या
ban the
purpose है?
RSS first. वो रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं कर रहा,
बैन कर दीजिए ना,
नहीं दिखा रहा,
in states where
इनकम टैक्स नहीं
in
पे कर रहा,
states where you are in power, ban the RSS.
तो आप बताइए, या तो उसको रेगुलेट करिए, हम वेलकम करेंगे.
Vivek Srivastava, do you want to ban the RSS?
No, I want the RSS to
अभी
become
तो आपने
regulated.
बोला,
If it is not regulated, ban it. If it doesn't follow my constitution, ban it.
Tell
If it
Mr.
doesn't pay
D.K.
taxes,
Shiv
ban
Kumar,
it.
1 minute.
कागज
Tell me,
दिखाओ.
Mr. D.
कागज मांगते हो ना सिटीजनशिप का, RSS कागज दिखाओ.
Should I get you, Vivek Srivastava, should I get you a duffly?
ना, why not? बड़ी अच्छी चीज होती है सर.
बस वही बचा है इस
नहीं,
performance
गरीब
में.
छात्रों पे मजाक मत उड़ाइए. एक गरीब छात्र के पास जिसके पास बीजेपी की फंडिंग नहीं है,
नहीं तो
उसके लिए
गरीब
डफली
छात्र
रह
का
जाती है.
FCRA रूल से क्या मतलब है?
बिल्कुल है सर, बिल्कुल है सर.
Tehseen, why is the Congress party opposing this? You know, Rahul Gandhi talks about transparency.
First of all, there are two issues out here. You can call Vivek urban naxal or anything that
Who's
you want.
calling him urban naxal? He identifies himself as
because
one.
that was the opening line, that those of us who oppose this are urban naxals, we are anti-national. Forget the RSS for a second. PM Care Fund, उसका audit करवा दो. कितनी चीनी कंपनियों ने उनको, नहीं पब्लिक डोमेन में नहीं, कितनी चीनी कंपनियों ने पैसा दिया उनको, उसका RTI में लाओ, उसके लिए regulations करो. All NGOs, look, I also run something, during COVID we worked. We got some money to which you could buy concentrators. It comes through banking channels, as John Dayal sir said. Everything has to be accounted. There's a ministry of, there are various ministries under which we are accounted. Since mine is a not-for-profit company, it's under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Everything is audited. The audits are very strict. Now, what the government wants to do is choke funds, and we have nothing against this. But the same transparency is not being held for the BJP, is not being held for the PM Care Fund, is not being held for RSS, as my friend Vivek Srivastava said, and not for the other NGOs. That is what our problem is. And one last thing, this about terror funding. I'll just end here. There was a conspiracy in Bhima Koregaon that these 8 urban naxals, etc., wanted to assassinate our Honorable Prime Minister. I was against these people. I thought they should be locked away. Do you know the NIA withdrew those charges of assassination?
Yeah, so the agency is
exactly.
fair. If the charges
but what
don't
about the
stick,
lines those people put?
If
And that money also came through a banking channel. So you want to now throw people in jail, you want to make up charges and call people anti-national when you don't want to follow it. That's our problem.
You spoke for 3 minutes. You know, said all of what you wanted to, did not answer my question. What is the problem with transparency? Just declare what you want to do.
Why can't the RSS declare what it wants to do? We are ready to declare.
Okay.
But everyone should declare.
Okay. One by one, please. Shehzad Poonawala, respond.
See, I did not know today Tehseen would launch attack on Gandhi family. Because Indira Gandhi bought 1976 FCRA first. So that means she was striking on the heart of these NGOs who are doing so much work for people. Then in 2010, it was strengthened by Congress government. And you know what they did? First, they used to give permanent registration. Then they made it every 5-year renewal of registration. Correct. Then they said that disclosure has to be made every time. And then they said that if you don't make the proper disclosures, 4,000 NGOs license cancelled in 1 year in 2012. Correct. So he has targeted Gandhi family and Congress. Please, Tehseen, don't interrupt. Secondly, these rules are only ensuring transparency and accountability. By the way, this narrative that RSS is not registered is a false narrative. Let me tell you why. RSS works through Vidya Bharati, Seva Bharati, Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, Vanvasi Kalyana Ashram, all of them which receive the funds or they are doing the activities are all registered. RSS itself is a voluntary organization which under the law of India, you can be a voluntary organization without registration, just like many other organizations. Like Tehseen will never speak about Tablighi Jamaat. They are not registered. Jamaat-e-Islami, not registered, but विवेक कभी नहीं बोल सकते. तीसरी बात है, सुन लीजिए ना, मैं बोलता हूँ, आपको मुंह खोलता हूँ. अभी ये एक जो अभी टाइट रेगुलेशन लाया गया है, foreign funding in conversion cannot be allowed. Has this been done by BJP? No. Constitution says inducement can't be used for conversion. Secondly, MP Anti-Conversion Act, Himachal Anti-Conversion Act, Chhattisgarh Anti-Conversion Act, Odisha Anti-Conversion Act, all brought by Congress. How is this against the law, or how is this now stifling people? Thirdly, they are saying that we are doing work for the people. Okay, if you're doing work for the people, then disclose the patron and the sources. And finally, you know how much money was received by these so-called organizations? Just in 10 years, from 2011 to 2021, 45,000 crores, that's 30% of the total FCRA, went to these activities of missionaries. and look at the demographic changes that have taken place in states like Nagaland, states like Kerala, states like Assam. So should we not be bothered about this?
Yeah. May I reply to that?
Quickly.
So, Tehseen, you answer.
Let him respond.
Yes.
No, I have one question to ask you.
Ask.
You have said, somebody said Sonia Gandhi is being targeted.
Vivek Srivastava.
Vivek Srivastava said.
Yeah.
He thought anything foreign is Sonia Gandhi.
Vivek ji, आप अनीश के दुश्मन है क्या? Anish's party was literally formed because Sonia Gandhi has foreign origin.
तो ठीक है वो
You do know that, right?
उनकी अपना
You
चॉइस
do know that, right?
अब वो
You do
वापस
know
आ रहे
that,
हैं,
right?
अब वो वापस आ रहे हैं।
बताना अनीश जी वो गलत था
हमारे लाए हैं
ना?
वो
शरद पवार was wrong?
वो हमारे लाए हैं
शरद पवार गलत थे ना?
Okay, Tehseen, quickly respond. Karan, I'm coming to you.
No, again, the question that they are using this bogus of the missionaries getting money, it should stop education amongst poor people. I studied in a missionary school. मैं कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ. विवेक
convent school, not in a missionary school.
It was run by missionaries.
अरे convent
It was
था,
run by missionaries. कौन चला रहा था? Missionaries ही चला रहे थे. Please, Jesuit missionaries were running it. आपको पता नहीं, same school we went, St. Vincent's. Now the point that I'm trying to say is, why are you laughing? We went to the same school. So it was subsidized, no? So that is where that money, exactly.
Tehseen, make your point,
So that
please.
money comes from there. So he wants.
बंक ज्यादा करते थे एक्चुअली आप पढ़ते थे क्या फर्क है
Yeah, that is
बंकिंग द क्लासेस
The problem
He was a scholar.
Tehseen.
But point is that this is what they are against education.
I don't think you have a point. Karan,
BJP,
what is the problem of the opposition, the ecosystem?
No, Pranesh, first I'll read out something because they mentioned urban Naxals so many times, Tehseen and Vivek. Urban Naxals, which includes ideologues, activists, academicians, NGOs, are more dangerous than a guerrilla army. You know who said this? Sushil Shinde, the Home Minister, written affidavit to the Supreme Court. तो विवेक जी अर्बन नक्सल वर्ड इनकी दी हुई है, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी नियत है, सुनते रहिए।
आपकी नियत खराब है, बात नियत की है सर।
बोले
नियत
सर प्लीज।
अब मैं जरा नियत बता देता हूं। इन्होंने राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन पे बहुत, विवेक जी ने और तहसीन जी ने बोला कैसे आप, यू आर डिफेमिंग देम। राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन ने किससे फंड लिया? जाकिर नायक, पीस का मसीहा जाकिर नायक, वही जिहादी हु इज आउट ऑन द रन राइट नाउ। आई एम श्योर तहसीन यू डोंट स्टैंड विद जाकिर नायक। उस जाकिर नायक ने दिया राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन को 50 लाख। अब 1 सेकंड क्या है भाई, एक मिनट सुनते रहिए बात को। तो ये है भाई इनकी नियत और सब कुछ। 1 सेकंड बोल रहे, वो देके चला गया। आप 1 सेकंड
लेट हिम स्पीक।
रिटर्न भी नहीं किया, दे हैव नॉट रिटर्न्ड इट। कैसी बात है? अच्छा, प्लस नाउ प्रणेश, लेट मी नाउ कम टू द 4-5 बिग मेजर्स एंड आई हैव टू कांग्रेचुलेट दिस गवर्नमेंट फॉर एक्चुअली tightening the screws on this. The 4-5 big things, you know, they used to get away with this arbitrary domain list. Always used to mention, we don't know what the purpose of our NGO is. Now they are given categories, you have to tick on them. If you say religious, what in religious? Is it going to be construction of a temple, masjid? क्या करने जा रहे हो? आपको टिक लगाना है। विवेक जी जो गोलमोल बात करके निकल जाते हैं ना, and then he takes up proselytization, वो नहीं चलेगा विवेक जी। तहसीन जी ये भी अब नहीं चलेगा।
ये कबीर को वैसे पैसे है।
Don't trivialize it. Don't trivialize. Let him make a point. 1 minute.
Transparency है Pranesh. Now what this government has done is you have to fill a form 3BB and CA utilization certificate. Now if the CA has to give a form that this is how the fund was utilized, if it wasn't utilized for the purpose you mentioned, 30% penalty, 30% takeover. और अगर आपने तब भी नहीं ठीक किया, आपके सारे assets will be taken over by the government. इसकी मिर्चें लगी है विवेक जी को। विवेक जी जो फंडिंग पाते हैं ना, खुद इनको इससे प्रॉब्लम हुई है।
He is wrong here. The CA certificate is always required. I give it every day. One second. One second. Utilization certificate was required. Utilization certificate is required. 1 second. I'll explain to you. What happens is your fund is left over, you can carry it forward next year. Now what this government wants to do is take over our money. That is the problem. Yes. Our money to help the poor, to serve the
Your money, this is for foreign funding.
You are anti-education.
Anti-education? This is about foreign funds. How is this your money?
For education.
Yeah, so foreign funds has to be regulated. That is the problem. In the name of education, they take money and then they use it for conversion, etc., etc.
So you
carry one more clause. There is one more clause. If it comes in installation,
Comrade John Dayal has his hand up.
If it comes in installation, I'll just complete it. 75% of it, if you've not utilized, you will not get the next installation. ये पैसे इकट्ठे करते रहते हैं और यूज करते नहीं हैं।
Why will it decide?
Why want to
government?
the money?
Government decides.
Enjoy those 5-star dinners.
Should we not apply this to
No,
government ministries also?
Yeah.
All government ministries that do not have 75% fund utilization,
Yes,
sack the
yes,
minister.
Dr. John Dayal.
Are you willing to sack the minister?
1 minute. Anish, 1 minute. Dr. John Dayal. Yes, sir.
Sir, this slur that money is used for presentation has been debunked by the courts themselves. All the people ever arrested on charges of converting people, each one of them has been released, and none was released after months and months and months in jail, proved to be innocent. This is a slur to stop the work.
Okay, so
of
Dr. John
Christians.
Dayal, let
Don't
me ask you this fundamental 1 minute. Dr. John Dayal, do you believe that this is part of the larger agenda of the Modi government to target NGOs? Yes or no?
Mr. Modi hates NGOs.
Very good.
Because
Mr. Modi hates NGOs, says Dr. John Dayal. I have a document, and viewers, I want you to focus on this. The question was asked of the Home Ministry. The question was whether under increasing pressure from the security forces, the Naxalites in deep forests have started spreading their wings throughout the country by forming front organizations, whether the government has identified such organizations working for Maoists. The answer was, during operations by security forces, the CPI Maoist underground cadres shift to softer areas, including urban areas, looking for safe hideouts. On such occasions, we have the document, and it will play on the screen, this document that I am reading from. We have it all treated so that viewers can see that's the document. There you see the portion highlighted in green. On such occasions, the overground front organizations provide safe hideouts to armed cadre. The front organizations also facilitate procurement of supplies to the Maoist war machinery. They also initiate legal action to slow down the enforcement regime. They are also adept at dissemination of propaganda, disinformation to demonize the state and security forces. And such front organizations are mentoring professional revolutionaries to be inducted into the underground movement. The date is February 2014. This is from the UPA era. Now, Vivek Srivastav ji, Dr. John... Okay.
One second. Mr. John Dayal said this is a slur that foreign funds are coming for conversion. If it is not coming, then why you have a problem with the provision? Point one. Point two. Same John Dayal says that love jihad is also a slur.
Yes.
One sir, ruk jao bhai. Kerala Catholic Church says love jihad is a reality, and High Court of Kerala also said. Now I want to know from Brother John and Brother Vivek, is Kerala Church, Catholic Church lying?
Something. Listen.
Now see how the vote bank has come in. So he has to accept.
Law was born at the height of the emergency. It was born in sin. It's a sinful law. And every government has kept it because it suits the government to crush this.
Dr. John Dayal, okay. Dr. John Dayal, I'll accept everything you say. Now tell me, 1 minute. Tell me which clause is problematic to you. I'm sure you've gone through the Gazette notification. Which clause is a problem?
You know why this law was enacted? I was a reporter at that time. This law was enacted during the emergency because Mrs. Gandhi feared J.P. Narayan. She feared George Fernandez, and she brought this law. Why has the succeeding government kept it? Because it's become a tool for governments to control NGOs.
Vivek Srivastava, you are saying very good.
Argument is that because FCRA, sir, once again, is born in 1976 emergency, so it is a product of sin, correct? Which word was added during height of emergency in the Constitution preamble?
No.
So that is also product of sin?
No.
Is that product of sin?
We got it
now
done.
Look at the double standards.
We got it done.
Please tell me, love jihad is been told by the Kerala Catholic Church. Is it wrong or
Vivek
is it
Srivastava,
the wrong
take a
word?
stand.
Let me speak. Let me speak. First of all, there is nothing called love jihad. It's an imagination of the Hindutva gang of BJP to target the minorities. Maybe one church said it. It's not important. I am saying it's not there means it's not there. Right?
Okay.
So there's,
You are above the church.
No, if you are
Vivek
willing to
Srivastava
listen
is
to
above
the
the
church,
church.
you should be willing to listen to an individual like me or Tehseen also.
Yeah.
Why not?
Tehseen
आप एक
has
चर्च को
had his
लेकर
head
के
down, sir.
आप एक
He is
चर्च को
bowing to
लेकर
your
के-
wisdom.
सर आप एक चर्च को लेकर के स्टैंडर्ड आपने बना दिया एक चर्च ने बोला इसका
Vivek
मतलब लग
Srivastava
गया
now answer Dr. John Dayal. Forget
Yes.
my question.
Yes.
He is saying that this was a tool
Yes.
used by the Congress government.
Yes.
He names Indira Gandhi to muzzle dissent.
Yes, I'll tell you now what he's trying to say. He's trying to say this country.
He is not
always-
trying to
no,
say,
No, no,
he
I'll
said
tell you
it.
now. Let me speak, please. It's my turn. आपने मुझे टाइम दिया है. वो कह रहे हैं कि ईडी, सीबीआई हमेशा था, पुलिस हमेशा थी, शासन प्रशासन हमेशा था, ये इंस्टीट्यूशंस हमेशा थे. पहले नियत सही थी और जब से मोदी आए हैं नियत गलत हुई है. आप उसको यूज कर रहे हैं इस देश में डिसेंट को किल करने के लिए.
Anish, let me bring in IP Singh. IP Singh जी, सर आप क्या सोचते हैं ये जो कानून है जिसमें चेंजेस किए गए हैं, अब ऑपोजिशन कह रही है कि ये विपक्ष की आवाज को दबाने की कोशिश है.
देखिए, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा महत्वपूर्ण है, लेकिन उसके आड़ में जो नागरिक स्वतंत्रता है, जो हमारी आपकी अभिव्यक्ति है, अगर इसका गला घोटा जाता है, 12 साल सत्ता में रहने के बाद नेशनल सिक्योरिटी और पारदर्शिता पर सरकार सोचे तो ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. गृह मंत्री जी ने बार बार ये कहा कि जो नक्सलाइट्स हैं उनको खत्म कर दिया है, अब देश में इस तरह की कोई समस्या नहीं है. लेकिन जो तानाशाही के कॉन्सेप्ट हैं, जो हिटलर शाही है, वो देश में थोपना है, मीडिया का गला घोटना है और सोशल मीडिया पर हमारे आपके जो विचार हैं उसको दबाना है.
इसमें
महीने में 10 दिन,
इसमें आप कह रहे हैं अभिव्यक्ति जो फ्री स्पीच कहां से आ गया सर? ये ट्विस्ट तो अभी विवेक श्रीवास्तव ने भी नहीं दिया. आप ये नहीं 1 मिनट. ओके करण, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं.
अरे भाई,
करण ये फ्री स्पीच को मजल कर,
प्लीज बोलने दीजिए. अरे बोलने
विवेक
दीजिए.
श्रीवास्तव
1 मिनट. देखिए, इन्होंने बोला इसकी आड़ में, एंड जॉन दयाल सेड इट्स अ सिन. नाउ आई विल टेल यू किसकी आड़ में क्या होता था. मेधा पाटकर जैसे लोग होते थे जो नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन में बैठ जाते थे. इस आड़ में ये क्या करते थे, सरदार सरोवर डैम की हाइट नहीं रेज होने देते थे. तीस्ता सेतलवाद जैसे लोग जो एनजीओ चलाते थे, सिटीजंस फॉर जस्टिस एंड पीस, एंड दे यूज्ड टू ट्यूटर विटनेसेस, एंड टुडे दे आर फेसिंग द म्यूजिक एज फार एज देयर इरेगुलरिटीज आर कंसर्न्ड. और फॉर दैट मैटर राणा आयूब, who's been on the run. These are the people जो आड़ में करते थे, and the sin they committed. NGOs like Citizens for Green Dune did not allow roads to be constructed Leh and Ladakh में. That is what happened. That is what happened. Let me complete. And ये जो विवेक जी बोल रहे हैं, I am saying लव जिहाद नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. VS अच्युतानंद कौन थे विवेक जी? उन्होंने कहा हुआ ये चल रहा है कन्वर्जन मास स्केल पे. आपसे बड़े नेता थे यार, आपने लेफ्ट भी छोड़ दिया है. उन्होंने बिल्कुल कहा है ये फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस पे कहा है, और ये भी कहा है डेमोग्राफी चेंज हो रहा है.
नंबर ऑफ केसेस बता दीजिए ना सर. आप यहाँ पे माइनॉरिटीज वाले लड़कों को पकड़ के जेल में डाल देते हैं, ट्रायल चलता रहता है, बाद में इनोसेंट वो घोषित होते हैं.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, अगर देखिए सर, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है हर आर्गुमेंट आपके पास हो. जब नहीं हो तो सरेंडर कर दीजिए. ऐसे कह दीजिए कि कुछ नहीं है. ये अब्सर्डिटी पे क्यों?
नहीं क्या
अनीश hasn't spoken. अनीश उनको बोलने दीजिए सर. आप लोग कोरस में, तहसीन आपको चेयर कर रहा है, आप तहसीन को उनको भी बोलने दीजिए.
नहीं, यहाँ पे जो हो रहा है ना, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम टुडे इज दैट दिस इज हिपोक्रेसी की सीमा. 75% fund allocation by the ministries is not required. Effective budgeting by the government is not required, but NGOs receiving foreign funding must be held to a higher standard than our incompetent government, which has not been able to utilize the funds.
What is the connection of the two?
No. You expect the same standards. I expect the same standards from my government that the government imposes upon me.
No, he's right.
But can I please have accountability from my government? Now the other problem, Pranesh, the other problem is, no, 1 second. The other problem is urban Naxal has become a very convenient phrase, right? Everybody who opposes the government is urban Naxal, anti-national. Medha Patkar, Rana Ayub, everybody else you mentioned,
Tehseen,
still out, this government is in power.
Can you read this out? This is the UPA era document.
But you know who is in jail?
No, you read it out.
I'll tell you this.
You read it. No, you read it out. Anish, just read out the no.
1 second.
No, I want you to read this, please. Anish, just read the.
This was not misused.
But how can you?
Let him just read it. Anish, please.
can you remember a
Anish,
UPA
just
era
read it.
document?
This is the UPA era
You can
document.
remember-
Urban Naxal,
No,
front
but-
organization,
I
overground
support
workers.
you. I support you. You can support a UPA era document, but forget that the Congress lost an entire cabinet due to Maoist violence.
So are you
and blame the Congress for being urban?
Blame
like
the, this is about transparency.
This is two very quick points I need to address. I had great respect till about 8:29 p.m. for Anish Gawande.
Yeah, because he hadn't spoken.
Till 8 no 8:30 को change हो गया. I'll tell you why.
क्योंकि उन्होंने
अरे
बोला नहीं था तब तक.
सुन लो. I will never say such a strong statement, especially for my dear friend Anish. Anish said कि government of India or some governments, they are not utilizing the funds, and you are not saying anything on that, but the foreign funding of NGOs, you are taking offense to. NGO देश में चुनाव लड़ती है क्या? Government are elected, sir, let me complete. Governments are accountable to we the people, first 3 words of the constitution. So if you don't like this government not spending or spending the money, kick them out. But can you kick out the NGO? One second, why you so interrupting?
Went to the same school.
So exactly, but value system अलग हो गया ना. सुनिए, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि बंक करते थे. मैं दूसरा बोल रहा हूँ आपसे कि now you are saying that see now I've forgotten the point that he was saying. The second point is that Anish Gawande, please answer, is that why should there not be accountability of these NGOs who are interfering in the internal socio-political affairs of India using foreign funds?
Simple question.
Who decides who's interfering?
Because exactly.
Who decides
According
who's
to you,
interfering?
The government of the day decides.
supporting
Who
your
decides?
agenda.
The
government decides.
Law of Parliament decides.
नहीं, मोदी
Law of
decide
Parliament.
करेंगे.
FCRA is a law of
decide
Parliament.
करेंगे.
Parliamentary law of
कि क्या
FCRA.
interfering है क्या नहीं, यही तो
FCRA is a
problem है.
parliamentary law.
The last
Vivek
time-
Srivastava, who decide? 1 minute, sir. Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. I'll get you the question. Vivek Srivastava, who decides who's a terrorist?
If there is a crime, if something has been done, there is an investigation, and then you come to the conclusion. लेकिन नियत न्यूट्रल होनी चाहिए.
Who decides? मैं एक authority entity नाम बताइए. Who decides? Courts. Rahul Gandhi can decide who's a terrorist, but he decided. Branded Sadhvi Pragya terrorist. Vivek Srivastava.
साध्वी प्रज्ञा ने गोडसे को ग्लोरीफाई किया.
माफी
प्राइम
मांगिए.
मिनिस्टर दुखी हुए.
आप माफी
प्राइम मिनिस्टर दुखी हुए.
आप माफी मांगिए.
The prime minister was sad that the member parliament of his party glorified Godse. Do you know this?
Doctor,
She has not got a ticket, but Godse Samarthak is in Congress party. Babulal Chaurasia.
yes,
वो
sir.
NIA का कोर्ट था, उस पे भी हमने डिबेट की थी.
Karan.
देखिए इनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. ये टेररिस्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. हर्ष मांडेर को जानते हैं आप? नहीं जानते?
जानते हैं.
उनके एनजीओ ने, जो कि नेशनल एडवाइजरी काउंसिल के खुद मेंबर थे, उन्होंने क्लेमेंसी पिटीशन लिखी हुई है अफजल गुरु की और अजमल कसाब की. आपको पता है, आपके हिसाब से एक एनजीओ जिसको फॉरेन फंड मिल रहे हो, उसको क्लेमेंसी पिटीशन फाइल करनी चाहिए जो इस कोर्ट्स के द्वारा डिक्लेयर्ड आतंकवादी हो?
Human rights.
Is that legal in this nation to fight clemency or not?
देखिए आप-
Is it as per the constitution or not?
हाँ, तो
Sir,
बहुत बढ़िया.
And we have a judge.
Okay.
Very nice.
One minute.
Now
One
Pradesh
minute.
knows what is right
Who
and
these
wrong.
people have a soft corner for?
No,
They want to
one
use
minute.
foreign funds for this.
Not just soft corner. Now
Foreign
he
funds
said
for this.
he is talking about legality. Vivek Srivastava.
Yes.
अफजल के जो स्लोगन्स हैं, अफजल तेरे कातिल जिंदा है हम शर्मिंदा है, वो सही है?
वो नारे इसलिए
नारे नहीं,
सुन
वो
लीजिए,
सही है या नहीं है?
नहीं, अब आप पूरा बोलने दीजिए मुझको. 2 इश्यूज थे. कॉमरेड सीताराम येचुरी ने
तुम
बोला था,
जितने हिडमा मारोगे हर घर से हिडमा निकलेंगे. इसको बताइए सही है या गलत?
पत्रकार हैं, नेता नहीं है. नेता मैं हूं, नारे मैं लगाता हूं. सर आप सुनिए, कॉमरेड सीताराम येचुरी ने क्लैरिफिकेशन दिया था 2 पॉइंट्स पे. पहला, लेफ्ट पार्टीज कैपिटल पनिशमेंट मृत्यु दंड के खिलाफ हैं. दूसरा क्लैरिफिकेशन दिया था, असली जो मुजरिम है वो अफजल गुरु नहीं है, एक स्मॉल आदमी को पकड़ा जा रहा है, उससे बड़े उसमें जो कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स थे.
ये कौन डिसाइड करेगा? अफजल गुरु सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डिसाइड कर.
अरे अपील करने का तो राइट है ना. डिसाइड कोर्ट करेगा, अपील भी नहीं कर सकता.
कोर्ट ने डिसाइड कर दिया सर, उसके बाद वेयर इज द डिबेट?
देयर इज नो डिबेट. एवरीबॉडी एक्सेप्टेड.
इवन आफ्टर अफजल गुरु वाज एग्जीक्यूटेड, व्हाई आर यू नो 1 मिनट, व्हाई आर यू सपोर्टिंग प्रो?
देखिए, सबने कहा था
जुडिशियल किलिंग,
जुडिशियल किलिंग ऑफ अफजल.
सबने कहा था उस वक्त अफजल गुरु का, जाएं यहाँ पे दर्शक बैठे हैं,
सब लोग
प्लीज गो टू गूगल,
आप बताइए
प्लीज
सर,
टेक आउट द
यू क्लेम टू बी वन संविधान.
एक मिनट, कि क्या स्टैंड था उन लोगों का? लोग कह रहे थे अफजल गुरु स्मॉलर फ्राई है, जो बड़े मछलियां थी उनको आपने छोड़ा वहां पर. पॉइंट ये था, उस छोटे मछली को के बदले रियल कॉन्स्पिरेटर्स को पकड़ो.
हिडमा, स्मॉल फ्राई, बिग फ्राई, क्या
बात ये है? Who is deciding? Pranesh, हर्ष मंडर, राणा अयूब, तीस्ता सेतलवाद, मेधा पाटकर, all acquitted on all charges, yet
That's
you call them
okay.
urban Naxal.
One
That stands for...
One minute. Okay. No. I'll tell you who's acquitted. I'll tell you who's acquitted. Sadhvi Pragya is acquitted, still branded as a terrorist by Rahul Gandhi. That post still is there on Rahul's profile. Tehseen.
Of the late
I
Prime Minister,
have 2 points.
Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and Ram Jethmalani said.
Sir, at least look into the camera.
आप सुनिए ना, आप सुन नहीं रहे, तो
Don't
आपको
get carried
देखना
away
पड़ता है।
like this, Vivek Srivastava.
सुनिए, राम जेठमलानी ने क्लियरली बोला, मैं लड़ रहा हूं केस असैसिन्स का ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिसेस इंदिरा गांधी, क्योंकि एज अ लॉयर ये मेरी ड्यूटी एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है। दैट डजंट मीन कि वो एक एंटी-नेशनल था और बीजेपी के
प्रिंसिपल्स का क्या करेंगे?
इनसे पूछिए, इनकी पार्टी के
डबल स्टैंडर्ड आपका सामने आ गया। विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
आपको याद आ गया, राम जेठमलानी नहीं याद आया?
Freedom of speech.
हर्षवर्धन को आप कोट कर रहे हैं।
Anish, can you please calm him down?
Vivek, by 2 points.
Put your finger on his lips.
That's not a pretty
On his
sight.
lips.
That's not a pretty sight. Two points. One, on Pragya Thakur, she continues to be an accused of terror. She's not cleared of terror charges. Number one, she continues. Well, please.
But she has been acquitted. What nonsense is he saying?
May I please continue?
Parallel court track karta
She has been acquitted.
You may please make one. And the way her acquittal has happened is when Rohini Salyan had to say the public prosecutor, the pressure on her. The fact is Pragya Thakur was first arrested by BJP government. I don't want to go into details and what the courts had to say and how she's been acquitted. Number two, I don't want to go into those issues. Freedom of speech, you asked why. And IP Singh ji is right. There was I don't want to get to the name, there was a YouTube channel that was obviously raising up issues.
But how is that connected to this?
I'm coming to this.
No, we don't have that time, so you come to it.
I would have finished. The news channels was accused of being urban Naxal, getting funds from foreign countries. It has been acquitted of
Getting
all
funds
charges.
is not the problem.
It is because this is what you want to control
unregulated
funds.
funds from
They said the
unknown
funds were-
sources is the problem.
Where is the-
Declare
how
where
does
you are
unknown
getting your
sources funds
money.
come in a bank account?
The government decides.
How?
The
Who the
government will
government
decide.
decide?
Now the rules are clear.
It's audited.
This is about total
Nobody
disclosure.
can come and put money in
But
my
Tehseen,
account.
what is the problem? You are also a businessman. If someone asks you that, disclose all your sources of income.
Which it is done.
Yeah,
And it's
then
audited.
why should NGOs not do
Why
it?
should... I'm not against an audit. I am saying if I don't spend my money in the current financial year,
Okay.
why is the government
Last
intent on
word,
taking away the
Shahzad.
assets?
Because Vivek ji said that this is about supporting human rights activities in India. Vivek ji, are human rights violations taking place in Xinjiang province against Muslims in China?
I will talk only of my nation. Maybe China is your nation. I don't know.
So you
Condemn
don't
China
accept-
if China is his nation.
No,
Condemn.
if China does something wrong, I will. If it's against my
Condemn
nation, I
China.
will.
If
Yes,
China is
if,
not
yes.
your nation, condemn China.
No, my prime minister is going there and making friendly ties. Why should I condemn it? Let Shehzad
So
condemn it.
you are saying that no human rights violations take place in
Oh,
China?
it may or may not be. That's their problem.
you condemn
My problem
America?
is here. My
Will you condemn
problem
America?
is.
Will you
my
condemn?
problem
Will
is
you
those-
condemn
Yeah.
America, Vivek Srivastava?
Why not?
Why not? But will not condemn China.
China is
Sir,
my
अपना
friend.
कुछ तो सोच लिया
नहीं,
कीजिए
मैं
कि आगे
बिल्कुल-
पीछे आप क्या बोलते
भाई
हैं
मेरे
सर?
प्राइम मिनिस्टर
You-
के ज्यादा दोस्त आज चाइना
good.
वाले हैं. हमारे समर्थन में ज्यादा लोग
Yes,
चाइना वाले
Dr.
हैं.
John Dayal,
चारे
we'll move on,
पकड़ कर
sir.
लगाता है.
30 seconds, tell me.
Sir, would you like to have a debate on those who get Benami funds through non-banking channels? Someday,
Yes, sir.
someday-
We'll do a debate and we'll call you, Dr. John Dayal. But, till such time, please comply to these norms.
Which state is number one?
Okay, we'll have to leave it at this. I thank some of you for joining us on debate number 1.